making these codfish cakes for I'm serving today my Miss C's cod cakes and tings along with my body butter making experience. I'm making tea and I'm going to have a class. I'm going to teach them how to make natural body butters. We're going to serve some tea. We're going to have some charcuterie treats on a board. And I'm just cutting up these peppers. We're going to have codfish cakes and plantains. So I am so excited. I'm definitely going to get some of that footage, guys. So stay tuned, okay? Thanks again. All right, peppers coming along, guys. I had the saltfish soaking overnight, but I wanted a little bit more tender. And then I'm going to mix everything together. All right, guys, I am mixing up all of my peppers with some seasonings. Look at that. Beautiful. It should look rich when you make the codfish mixed together with all of the peppers and everything. Okay, that's me. I put a whole bunch of pepper in there. And I have a little bit of the hot peppers already, so I usually add cayenne sometime, but I think I'm going to leave the cayenne out. I'm very tempted, but I'm going to leave it out. Okay, the fish is in there. The oil is cooking. The oil is bubbling. It's almost ready. And all-purpose flour, unbleached. And you can use different flours. This is all-purpose. I don't want it to be too battery, too battered up till you're eating mostly bread instead of the fish. All right, I'm going to add in my water. And you do want to leave this mixture kind of moist, so not dry, okay? Now this is not a tutorial because this is kind of my secret recipe, but you know, you get the gist of it. You can just think about making salmon croquette. It's very similar to that. You might change up just a few little ingredients. With the salmon croquettes though, I do like to squeeze a little lemon or lime on the fish when I do it. Okay, so this is definitely enough water. It's moist. Now this should be perfect when I finish mixing this up. And then it'll be time to fry. They're looking pretty. Turn it down just a little. You want it nice and golden brown. Oh, I thought I was going to get two turned over at one time. Thank you. Thank you. Sometimes you can move them around. If you see some thicker ones you want to put in the middle. And I just want to turn it once. Because if you turn them over multiple times, then you make it oily, because then the oil will keep soaking through the saltfish, the codfish cake, so you don't want to do that. So you try to do one pass. So that's why I said if you make it nice and golden brown, you only have to turn it over one time. You don't hate the bite. Make it one pass. It will not be too oily. Okay? Golden, golden, golden. Okay. Got some olive seed or something. Oh yeah. That. Okay, and when you put them and wrap them up, it takes some of the crisp away, but it tastes good. It's a little kick in it, okay? A little scotch bonnet pepper. And it's plantains. I'll leave this here. You guys can pass around if you want to, like Thanksgiving.